These super soft brushes are part of the artistry set from Nire Beauty. This set of 12 brushes will make makeup easy, applying creams and powders gently onto your face and around your eyes. Every brush is delicate and kind on your skin, adaptable for all of your favorite looks and some new ones too. Designed by Nire Beauty in the UK, this complete makeup brush set is everything you need to bring out the beauty of your face and eyes. The artistry set also comes with a manual, travel capsule, brush cleaning tool, and a face prep tool for a comprehensive makeup brush package. This set of 12 brushes is available in a range of colors to match your personality, from elegant rose gold and black, exciting glitter, sophisticated silver, and modern white. Treat yourself and your skin to the artistry set from Nire Beauty and enjoy hours of worry-free makeup application.